This is the SFX Pro 450-watt power supply unit from FSP. As the name already suggests, this is an SFX form factor PSU, which is becoming more and more relevant in the past few years since the rise of the popularity of ITX builds. We can see here on the back the diagram of the available power connectors, as well as the type of power cord that is included. By the way, this model is 80+ bronze certified, so you have at least a decent level of assurance regarding the power performance or behavior of this PSU. Aside from the PSU itself and the power cord, we have here a small user guide. And a plastic bag containing an adapter bracket for use with cases that doesn't have screw holes for SFX size PSUs, and a bag of screws. The PSU, as seen here, is non-modular, which isn't surprising at this price point. But at the very least, they are all in black, as indicated on the front of the box. So no ketchup and mustard, aka condiments party here. And that is it for this unboxing of the FSP SFX Pro 450-watt PSU. Click or tap on that subscribe button to see more unboxing and/or tech videos. I'll see you all next time.